Sorry. Ano yung Adam? Ikaw prefers to be on Mendoza.
Oh, so, you know, it is not me, but Tika is the person. And he likes flowers. And he likes you very much. Then, if you don't stop cracking and keeping at me like that, I cannot finish. So you never finish and finish me when I was another girl. You are very naughty child. You are all very naughty children. Especially this one. Always eating our mangoes from our mango tree.
Do you still have that mommy?
Yes, still do.
Come on, Nena, let's see there.
Jesus Christ. I still run the fastest ever. See if I don't crash and put your pants off.
But I wear my pants. Why? Love yes, put my pants up again.
No, silly. It's not me, Ray. Nothing matter. We don't need to prepare any food for us. We're not your visitors and we're not yet hungry. It's just some orange. It's just some orange. Big Daddy doesn't eat anything in the morning. She says in New York, nobody eats breakfast. Come on up, Sophie. Sophie.
Nakatawa yun ah. I haven't talked to Tika yet.
I thought you came here to tell her everything on time.
Diyan ka lang.
Do you love with me or with Tika?
Of course I love you. I'm engaged to you.
Yes, but we're engaged with Tika too.
That was a year ago.
You what?
Nena, you know I love you.
I love it.
I never belong to Tika anymore. She stopped us.
Sa likod tayo.
So I don't need to
Ito na yan. Ano to?
Yes.
Not with the people engagement with Tika.
You are here. Papa is here. Do you expect me to choose Tika in front of everybody else? Do you?
Camille.
You want me to take the clear off?
Just let me be alone with Tika for a moment.
Here.
Leave it to me.
Justin.
Puto kayo dyan! Puto! Oh!
Here comes Tika, but she prefers to be called Francesca now.
Where is Tika? I can see Tika, but I hear her voice. I'm here! You're there.
Oh, give you pick up. And Tony, how's my little cat? Yes. And Tony, hi, how are you? Can you look? Ew! All of you look like sort of Super Tando Technicolor production. Oh, never mind. Just sit down and what is it now? Well, how many times must I tell you that never, ever, 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 ever to put little water glasses? I can't find the tall one she got. Oh, my poor little monkey. Little monkey. What am I going to do now? Oh, never mind. Just sit down. No, I must go to the market. Oh, don't forget my candy. And then the rabbit just get too much and much all day.
Patay lang naman.
Papa, don't forget your mother party.
Pag nag-awit
Does Henny have any light? Here. Receive. I said receive. That means thank you in French. Tell us about New York. New York, New York.
So, how long you been there?
10 months, 4 days, 7 hours, and 21 minutes.
And she's still there, in her dreams.
Well, New York, now, it's springtime. Well, in Central Park, daisies are appearing. I do understand her dreams. I feel the same way about her dreams. About Yoshi, our mother's dream, guys. Have you forgotten about it? You and I used to go up climbing every